Hi everyone, welcome to the Polar Bear Couples. I think I was a little off on the day I made this one. The one that's marked 2007, I made in 2007, and I think it looks much better than the one I made 2 weeks ago. And the new one that I made, well, first let's get into our supplies. There's what we're using, same stuff as always. Um, the new one I made, I wanted to make him look furry, so I did some texturing on them, and personally, I don't like the way it came out. But all depends on what you like, I guess, but I just wasn't happy with it. But here I am going to show you how to do it. So if you don't want to texture it, don't texture it. The one from 2007 is not textured, and I personally think that one looks better. So let's go ahead and make 4 legs. And this is a couple, and if you want to make it into a family, just add a few smaller ones on. Although I think that would be too big of an ornament. And I think I really need to not do it on the white. I don't even know why I put the white there. So, aha, once again, I did not edit very well. I do apologize for that. I don't know what's happening to me here. Ah, there's the black paper. So I went off to cut a piece of black paper so you could see this better. Maybe I should have left it on the white. I don't know. I would say leave comments in the section below about whether or not you like this one with the texturing, but you don't need to do that because I don't like it. Or tell me which one you like better, the one from 2007 or the couple from 2020. I see it just adds so much time to making the ornament to texture it. And I think I really didn't texture it properly. So he almost looks like fuzzy sheep. I don't know. Well, there I go. I guess I could have edited that part out too. So did I mention that it's hot here today and our heat index is 106? Oh my goodness. But at least there are no storms today. Looks pretty sunny out there. We may get some storms later, but I don't mind. My brother is growing a vegetable garden. I laugh because, no, it's not really a vegetable garden because all he really has in there are watermelons and I think cantaloupes. And it has been really hot and he hasn't had a chance to water. And then we have downpours in the storms. But he has a watermelon in there and it's about 4 inches in diameter. It's about the size of a baseball. All right, now only attach the arms at the top because we will be moving them. This texturing actually reminds me of, you ever see Shaggy Dog? Reminds me of Shaggy Dog. Now we're going, the heads are going to be shaped like cones, so we'll be doing 2 of those. And yeah, I think I made that one too small. And you're going to butt them up against each other because they're kind of cheek to cheek. And if you're not happy with the size of your head, do what I do. Just keep at it until you find the size you like. Yeah, I'm just keeping at it. Just get that size I like. I should have made this that head a little bit bigger. Just a little bit. And I don't know, I put the Santa hats on this couple, but I'm really not happy with the Santa hat either. Boy, I'm really down on myself today, aren't I? But as I always say to you, um, go with the design. You don't have to do it exactly the way I do. Put your own touches on it, make your additions, make your subtractions, and see what works for you. You're all creative. You all can come up with something. And I believe on the 2007 ornament, they are not wearing hats. Okay, we're doing the brim of the hat. I actually have that ornament in front of me as I'm narrating, and it doesn't really look too bad. It's just again, the texturing, trying to make it look furry. The odd thing is with the polymer clay, and I don't know if this is true for any of you, um, it has been really soft, and I am in air conditioning. I'm making the little, it's hard to see, but I'm making the little ears here. But even with the air conditioning running, the clay is a little bit soft, except for the black. I don't know what happened to the black clay. That was really hard. There it is, the black clay. Which, for me, I don't mind soft clay because I have arthritis. You can look at my fingers and you can see that I have arthritis. Um, but too soft is not good either. I'm just doing some texturing around the face there. And I'm making the mouths with the needle tool. And they're going to be holding a candy cane rope, which has the star on it. And now, see, we're going to put it under the arm, so under the hand, so it looks like they are holding it. Now you can put the arms down. Do a little more texturing. And scarf. And I used a light blue scarf, a baby blue scarf. You can make it any color you want. So I had wasps. I don't know if I told you this. I had wasps building a nest between the storm window and the regular window. There was a little spot where they came in. And since it got really, really hot, I think they've given up. I have not seen them in there for quite a while. I think they fried themselves or baked themselves in there. That's just not a good place between two window panes. And I wasn't going to do anything about it because I was going to videotape them making their nest. I thought, oh, this will be an interesting project, checking their progress all the time. See, I'm not telling you what to do. You can watch me right there what I'm doing. But unfortunately, it didn't get any bigger than maybe 2 inches. Got too hot in there for them. Oh well, at least they didn't come in the house. I think I may have mentioned them in an earlier video. I don't know. I don't remember much of what I say in the earlier videos. All right, we've done the holly leaves, and then we'll do the berries, and then we'll do the blush, and our ornament will be done. But I can't tell if I put the hook in or not. I may not have. If I haven't put the hook in yet, please put it in before we get to this point. I think over the years I've done quite a few ornaments that I forgot to put hooks into. Oh yeah, I forgot the hook. Yep, I just noticed it. Oh my goodness. I used to put right above my stove, I would put a big sign that said hooks with a question mark after it. So before I would put all those trays of ornaments into bake, I could check them all. I had to remind myself, and that was the best place to put the reminder. Oh, we're done. Oh my. See you later. Bye.